Tinokuchingamidza nemufaro kuFuture Online Academy. Today ndichatsanangura Suspense and Errors June 2001 paper 1. Chatsanangura neshona kuti unzwisise kuti zvinodofamba sei uye tichaita sei. Anditika. Alright, so we want to read my errors edu. So here, according to the question, I'm going to read out the question then ndotsanangura. Try balance and squiverenga. Ndichaitwerenga kanda kuita item B. But for now, I want to go per item A. So item A, you are required to write up the suspense account. So before I write the suspense account, ndoda kutanga ndatsanangura my errors. Icha affect a suspense account papi ichaita sei antika. In the suspense account yacho ino affecta kana zvaita sei. So I'm going to open the suspense account. Let me say the suspense account. So I'm going to share the question so that in an examination they require you to write dollars. If asked to write my dates, but in this case my dates are not. So as the trial balance totals did not agree, a suspense account was opened for the difference. So first thing you're going to take out your calculator. Let me take out my calculator so that I show you how you calculate. Calculate yangu ndanayo. So zvaonoita ukonoti wewe mari yako yakashotera ku credit side. Both credit side kune 121,400, ku debit side kune 121,900. So unoti 121,900 minus 121,400 unowana chi 500. 500 iyoyo kwakashota ku credit. So according to the suspense account, we are going to write the trial balance difference yemari ye 500 kupi kwayakashota ikoko. Then tadaro cheta say, remember today my errors zedu step by step. The price of additional fixtures and fittings for 400 had been posted from the cash book to the purchase account. Pakati tika error because kana tikatenga ma assets hatima record the purchase account, no record ku asset account. So china ku asset account tikavura asset account isusu tine tikavura asset account tine kwatinoti bank kwatorecorda purchase of chi assets no recorda kuno kantika. Then we have a BD balance sort of. So that error doesn't affect the suspense account because you're just going to correct the entry neku recorda neku debit fixtures and fittings to creditor purchases account. The sales day book had been overcast by $200. That's error number 2. Error number 2 is going to affect suspense account because there's a single entry. It will affect one account. So can affect one account, no suspense account. In this case, as you can see, sales day book yaka 200, while it's my sales and a credit balance. So since my sales and a credit balance, for error number 2, ndichazama kuisa ma workings apa ndongoita rough draft ma workings, and for error number 2 tikavhura chi general entry redu rinorantika. Tavhura general entry redu tikati debit credit toisa dollars. Tinoona kuti masales akawandisa. So to reduce my sales tinomaita se tinoma debit ane mari ne 200 to credit chi suspense. The ones paid my general entries were in this way. Then tadaro this for number 2 means say kuti suspense yedu iri ku credit. So tinoenda ku credit side ku suspense account kunoku tino atinyora suspense tinobva tanyora kuti chi sales how much 200. Tadaro tinenge tatopedza. A sales to Billy had been correctly entered in the sales day book as 227, but wrongly posted to his account as 272. In this case, as you can see, Pautozonzi isusu. If you check that error tikaenda iri ku affect suspense account. Why? Because takato recorda correctly mu sales day book anti yes 227, but mu account ya Billy atina kuposta takaiposta iri wrong, iri mari iri 272. First step ukona zvakadaro tato 272 delete 272 minus 227, you get 45. Getting 45 wakuita say we want to open a journal entry for this. So opening a journal entry for error number 3, working yangu inga, I'm going to write debit. In the vendor exam wakakuti nyora ma journal entries, don't forget kunyora kuti debit. Avoid ku underline ma dollars akwa. Then wadaro Billy tichamuita say. A sale, Billy is a custom. Takarekoda mari kuna Billy yakawandisa. iri 270 tisedi ya 227. To reduce that tinoita say we are going to debit the suspense fanorekoda pasasapa suspense account nemari nedifference ye45 tocredita billy. Why crediting billy? Because billy anga akawandisa takamuita wrongly posted 272 instead ye 227 mise mari yake kabva yawandisa. So kususpense account takuya tonyora kuti chi billy mwana gunodonyora kuti data billy obva muti data mabrackets ndiwe obva wanyora kuti 45 ndiwe unengoita sei waziva wato identify kuti ndi data unenge watogona kana wadaro. Then takuenda pamberi. The purchase of goods from M. Sakala for 250 had been posted to the wrong side of her account. That one is the complete reversal of entry. Complete reversal of entry manje zvainoita toda kudhirowa journal entry redu like this. Tine debit, credit, dollars. Tadaro chaita sei. Tozo ndizuzu takatenga magudzi bvona Sakala ne250 but takamaposta ku wrong side of your account. Tatenga magudzi isusu Sakala tinise isi kana takatenga magudzi kubva kuna Sakala tinofano rekoda goods bought takatenga magudzi e250 isusu kubva kuna Sakala aifano marekoda sei mabooks ake paakatenga because in this case kana akatomaposta to the wrong side. To correct this error zvatichaita we are going to debit suspense tocredita chi M. Sakala, but in this case manje akatoposta wrongly. So kana akaposta wrongly zvatichaita we are going to debit the suspense account tocredita M. Sakala zvaifana kuitwa because this had been posted to the wrong side of her account. Takatenga magudzi bva apostwa ku wrong side kweaccount yake mise kana akatopostwa ku wrong side kweaccount yake probably anogona akaita sei akama debita. So isusu chamacredita so chamacredita nemari ne500 because kana tiri ku principles of accounting complete reversal of entry if kana wakanzwa nezvayo inotora ichiti to correct a complete reversal of entry we double the amount means say chaita chi 250 times 2500 so that 500 yatiri kuisai tiri isusu ku credit and antataka debit ne mistake ku account kwake kana takaisa ku wrong side zvino tikaisa credit 250 icha cancelana nechi ne 250 yagara iriko then imwe 250 ndoye zvaifanira kuitwa zvacho mise kuti tichaya to recorda kuti M. Sakala M. Sakala is Sakala which will be 500 ndo panosiyanisa munhanta A nemunhanta B nemunhanta C. Identification of errors. An item of 146 had been debited twice in the general expense account. This is number 5. Togadzira general and redu maworkings andiri kuita debit credit dollars taita sei todzonzizisu mugeneral expense account takaisa twice katakaisa twice tofanoisa chi ka1 but takaisa ka2 general expenses ane debit balance means to reduce ticha debita suspense account nemari ne146 tocredita general expenses nemari ne146 takredita kudaro tichauya isusu zvaafecta suspense cash 146 mise kwa zvaafecta suspense iri kudebit tichatotichi general expenses 146 tadaro tebva toenda paitem 6 mageneral endis anga akawanda. The creditors total of 4,709 had been wrongly entered in the trial balance 4,700 iyi yakatoiswa iri shoma pose tikavhura general entry redu isusu tikoona kuti nedebit necredit tine $sign tadaro tirikuona itisu kuti macreditors akaitwa mashoma. To correct the entry takutozova macreditors tamaita sei tichatomacredita nemari ne9 difference yacho tongonoti 4,709 minus 709 zvikuafecta one account so tichati suspense yabva ita 9 mise kuti chaiyo suspense tobva tatichi creditors mari 9. Toda unoti tagona here. Kana tagona zvinofanira sei? Zvofana kuvanza. Saka iwe kana wakunyora question kwayakadai, mamarks atidi utomboti munhu aregret. Toda kutoweka pacalculator 45 in calculator ndaya nayo uone zvatinoita. 146 plus 9. Atina munhu anofoira accounting. Tiri kuwana a total of 700. 500 plus 200 700. It means kuti 3 marks taita sei? Tatora 3 marks. 3 marks taita sei? Tatora. Tatodya mamarks kana tatodai. So suspense account yedu iyi tatotora mamarks. Kana usiri kuona tatora mamarks suspense account yedu iri apa. We have done my workings edu ari apa. Simple as that. Now we want to look at the corrected trial balance. Tadzoka zvekare. Saka zvichatibatsira kugadzira trial balance yedu majournal entries atagadzira yanje. So zvada kuita majournal entries angu change ndinawo pandomboenda pacorrect trial balance. Pazvanda kutaura. Corrected trial balance kunyo corrected trial balance as on 31 March 2000 wonyora debit credit chi pane vana vane system yoda kuti anoda kutanga nezvinhu zvaanoda. In this case kana wakapiwa trial balance unotonyora in that order. Tichatanga necapital. Capital pamajournal entries haina kana chai affectwa nacho, tongoitora yakadaro iri 20,000. Then tine madrawings. Madrawings hatina kana adjustment yatambone ukaffecta madrawings, tongomatora akadaro. Then tine mafixtures and fittings. Remember pandatanga kutaura toda kugadzira journal entry era number 1 apa. Majournal entries andanokugaidha apa. Chinonakidza question yacho yakawanda. Bepa rakaoma. Hapana, because ukagona kugadzira majournal entries ezvandaita izvi watova bo, because wakutongondotora majournal entries mafigures zvotono zvazvidai, you'll be able to prepare corrected trial balance in 7 marks utozvitora zvakanaka. Usafunga kuti kuisa kuti drawings capital kune mamarks, tine mamarks, mafixtures and fittings, maadjustments atichaita ndowani mamarks. Charge the pages of additional fixtures and fittings for $400 had been posted from the cash book to the page's account. Zviro izvo kuti tichaita sei? Tichandoti susu fixtures and fittings, how much to debita to credita purchases. Kana tichitocredita mapurchases, that's a way yatiri kubvisa mafixtures and fittings akaiswa ikoko. It means kuti kana corrected trial balance chata debita tinondoedha fixtures and fittings, which will be 5,600 plus the 400. 400 ikubva kupi? Remember fixtures and fittings are good debit by journal entry. Tinondo maeda. Towana mari. Towana 6,000. Towana 6k. Tichaita sei? Taudzwa nzi datas. Datas uchaita sei? Tora figure ilipo 9,500. Remember kuma journal entries. I remember tichitora nyaya dza data. Panapa pana Billy. Tatora nyaya data. Billy akaita sei? A sale to Billy had been correctly entered in the sales daybook as 227. Remember, adjustment ya Billy item 3 iri up. But taunoti Billy isusu tamuisa ku credit side patagadzira journal entry. Billy ana debit balance but tamuisa ku credit side. Tichaita sei? Tichaenda tondoona Billy 45. Tobva toya kunoku tobva ta subtracta 45. Tadaro tikati 9,500 minus 45 tinoona mari 9,455. Tetapedza. Then tadaro takuita sei? Tina creditors atakapiwa mutrial balance nde 4,700. Zvandiri kuita izvi inonzi operation. Mwana anonyora zama asinganyora 9,500 minus 45. Pese paunonyora mafinancial statements of sole traders, even ku partnership, kuma company accounts, even wherever you are, ACAS level, ZIMSEC level, advanced level, Cambridge, where if there is no operation, don't expect to get an A, even at advanced level. I want an A. White chidaro. Tirikuti isusu kana kuri ku advanced level vanoita ma incomplete records, O level A kuma incomplete records. We are saying good. You, for example, what 9,455 and then until 9,500 minus 45, then in for a mistake of bond 9,475 kana pa kutariswa kumakwa panokoti aunyora 9,500 minus 45, maybe aita era pakuita sei pakucalculate, but ari kuziva kuti tosubtract. Azoita ke error yebalance, but ari kuziva if pane 2 marks up, you'll be awarded with 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Means kuti iwo kana ukasanyora operation wonyora 9475 advanced level students O level tera zvandokuta, you'll be penalized nokuda tine zera hauna chawanyora. Operation is very essential. Zvimwe zvacho tichazotaura nekufamba kwenguva. 4700 then toenda kumageneral entries kwedu. Msakala is a creditor. Creditor wedu ari kucredit 500. But remember, a creditor has got a credit balance to add 500. Tobva toya pacalculator pedu 4700 plus 500 towana mari 5200. Inouya kupi? Kucredit. Tobva toita sei? Tobva tandotora stock. Stock andombonzwa nyaya dzestock dziri kutomboenderana nestock ini, tongotora yakadaro iri 7900. Remember tine cash at bank. Cash at bank iri ndeye mari ndeye 8640. Remember tine masales, but masales ndo anambonzwa nganzi overcast what vhura bracket, vhura che bracket toti 96700. Masales tambomagadzira tikamaisa debit, masales ane credit balance tinondoma subtract 96700 minus 200 imwe nocalculate nemusoro nowana 96500. Anything that has got an adjustments in principles of accounting or accounting chine mamarks. Musafe makanyeperana kuti regedza hako kunyora operation tione kuti munoenda kupi nazvo. Purchases ane adjustment because mapurchases edu anga ari 65500. Remember, mapurchases ane debit balance according to the pews. Unofanira kuinga trial balance runzwe, but trial balance ndorono kutoziya topike trial balance nokubatsira. Wo minus 400 panapa. Unowana mari, unowana 65100. Zvimwe achizodo calculate unozorwa nemusoro. Tine ma general expenses. General expenses expenses. I am a general expenses edu nde 15760. Then tikazo ita adjustment yatapedzira kuita ema general expenses iri panapa tamaisa credit, so tinobva tama subtract because ane debit balance, so it will be 15760 minus 146 delete 146 15614 15614. Then tobva taita se toweka zvinhu zvedu. So zvanoda kuti tida kuedha tese 9000 plus chi 6000 plus 9455 delete plus 7900 plus 8640 plus 65100 plus 15614 toona 121709 121709. Even zvikaza balance 123 usazvinetse, siya zvakadaro, enderera mberi. Kubalancesa hakuna mamarks. It's just a way yekuda kungoita guarantee kuti wagonera kuita zvawaita. Pane error entry yandasirira. Remember pane entry ya 9 kawo. 9 ma creditors. Taifanira ndoedha pama creditors pedu 500 here plus 9. If I'm not mistaken tinowana 4700 na 9 up. Then yozoita 121,709. Doka 9 kananda sirira chete. Here are our solutions. We did suspense and errors. We did marginal entries. We did our solution, a trial balance. We did it very well. Then I want now to dive to item C. Item C kuti name any 4 errors that are not revealed by a trial balance. My errors which are not revealed by a trial balance. Zvinoreva kuti my errors ekuti haasi reviewed but trial balance no balance. Tine error of principle. Tine error of commission. Remember tine error of omission. Remember tine error of original of entry. Remember tine error of chi of transposition. ne-error of reversal of entries nema-compensating errors. So tokunongonyera transposition wozondoverenga go and research on these errors mazive because nokunopuwa ma-journal entries nonzi tuzoti error ipi yakaitika. It might happen. Zvikauyawo, God bless you. Muwane nguva yakanaka.
Black for life, black forever. It's got to be my dog, I'll start she records.